Hey, guys, hope you all are living your best lives. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Consultant Mindset that mainly aims at providing consultancy and guidance for everyday living. It gives you excellent ideas to mend your ways of living and uplift the standards of your life. Today's topic of our video is to improve your skills. As we know, every profession requires some skills to attain its best level. Whether you are a teacher or a doctor, every profession requires some capabilities that help you perform best in your field. For example, if you are running a construction company, you should have enough leadership qualities to lead the whole team. You should have the ability to face the failures carefully without devastating the morale of your team. In this video, I will give you some tips on improving your skills. But before that, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Consultant Mindset. Let us jump right into it. Identify your strengths and weaknesses. In my opinion, identifying the problem is the main scenario. When you are unaware of what is going wrong, then you will never be able to correct it. It is necessary to recognize the abilities that an individual possesses. For example, every person has his/her strengths and weaknesses. But not everyone is aware of them. Sometimes people come into the wrong profession because they never become able to recognize their true qualities. They always do what others tell them to. They don't even try to unleash their true skills. If a person identifies that he or she has great leadership qualities, then he can go for the seat of director in a company. If he has great communication skills, then he can apply to some marketing companies. It depends on how proficient you are in your skills, and if you are weak in some of your skills, like you do not know how to attend social gatherings, or else you are unaware of giving a presentation to the company due to lack of confidence, then you can work on them too. You can work on yourself to boost your morale and self-confidence. In this way, your weakness will become your strength as well. Ask for feedback. Sometimes it happens that we do not identify our actions as mistakes. Because every individual has their perspectives. Not everyone thinks the same. So it is better to take feedback from the masses so that you can mend your ways. For example, if they think you are unapproachable, then ask them the reason. Just because you do not have enough communication skills or you are lacking self-confidence, you can ask people how they feel about your leadership skills. Do they think of you as a better leader? Because few people are leaders, most of them are only. Leaders work with their employees, whereas the boss just orders them around. Try improving your ways and constantly ask peeps about them. Because business is with the masses. And you have to deal with them. So you gotta develop your skills to handle them. Accept criticisms and suggestions. While in a workspace, employees have to deal with many types of clients. Some of them are impudent and some of them are forgivers. But you have to develop skills and patience to deal with them. Some will write bad about you and some will write well. You have to take this criticism as a positive approach to develop your character. In the beginning, criticism always lets you down. But afterward, you began to take it as positive criticism and start developing your skills. Now the point arises that development is not a problem. But to train them is a bigger task. The best person in the race is one who has the best of best skills in his area. A winner is always the one who has proficiency in his skills. That is why he or she is called a winner, because he or she unleashes the true capabilities to win every race. In concluding the whole discussion, I must say that you should focus on improving your weaknesses instead of working over and over on your strengths. Unleashing something novel in your personality can be done by having social gatherings with new people. It can help you expand your network. Suggestions from friends and families can help you even better with our qualities. That's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye bye.